Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a video on Trust Wallet and how to link it with your Pancakeswap. So if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe and watch out for more videos. Hello guys, welcome to today I'm taking you guys on how to link your Trust Wallet with your Pancakeswap, because I've been getting a lot of messages from some students saying that they don't know how to use their Trust Wallets to link with their Pancakeswap. So this video will be a complete guide on how to go about it. So first of all, what you do is that you go to your app store. Go to your app store and you download Trust Wallet. Let me put this here, you guys can see. Trust Wallet. So this is where you get your Trust Wallet from. So you can go here and download it. Once you have downloaded your Trust Wallet, you will be asked to either create a new wallet, or if you they will ask you to create a new wallet, or to know if you have before, then you can put in your recovery phrase to get back your wallet. So guys, that's how it is. So once you download it, then you come to your this thing and click on it. This is my Trust Wallet. So this is my Trust Wallet. Now let's say this is your first time of coming to your Trust Wallet. You'll see something like this. Okay. Yeah, you'll see create new wallet, or I already have a wallet. So if it's your first time, you create a new wallet, and if you do that, they will give you a like a 12 words, a phrase. That phrase, you have to keep it on your own personally. So you take a pen and write it out and keep it somewhere you can find it. Don't screenshot it. Don't save it on your email, because if someone have access to this 12 words, your account is gone. They can easily hack your account. You get it? So keep those 12 words, write it down and keep it. So in case maybe you misplace your phone or anything, you can use that 12 words to recover your account, and your funds will still be intact. So guys, always take note of this. So once you have created your new wallet, you have something like this on your page. So once you have stuff like this, now for example, now I can't use Pancakeswap because my browser is not activate on my Trust Wallet. So the next thing to do is to go and activate your DApp browser, so that you can use your Pancakeswap on your Trust Wallet. So how do we do that? First of all, you go to your browser, then you go to community. You can see that community.trustwallet.com. So what we're doing here, for instance, now you come out to connect your browser to your Trust Wallet. Guys, this is an iPhone. If you're using an Android, there are different guides to it, or I think it usually come with an Android phone. If it does not, go on YouTube and type how to install browser on my Android phone. So guys, that's it. So now we'll come to this part over here. You can see different questions in case you're having issues. Now look at enable that browser on my Trust Wallet iOS version. So this is what I want. We'll click on this, and once it's open, you see over here what to do. The first step here is open your Safari browser and enter this trust.enable.com. So guys, let's do this now. I enter this trust.enable.com on our browser, so that we can activate our Trust Wallet. So let's do this, guys. We just copy this or just open it from here like this. You can see that you see that open in Trust Wallet. Open it in Trust Wallet. Once you do this now, then it will link to our Trust Wallet. Then once it's done, we can see that browser on our Trust Wallet. Allow. Now, guys, you can see it. We have browser now on our Trust Wallet because we have linked it. So that's it. We'll come here now. On this browser now, we'll go to our Pancakeswap, where we can link it to our Trust Wallet. Then we can start buying coin on Pancakeswap. So as you guys know now, this is shitcoin season, or we can say members coin, where you can buy Safe Moon, Safe Star, Safe Mans, and so many other coins using your Pancakeswap. So for those people that bought Safe Moon early, they are in huge profit now. So with this now, you can also buy your coin very early, because most times they will release a BSC scan address where you can copy it and come here and buy it before it's been listed on any exchange. So guys, you come over here, you can see Pancake Swap. Let me put it to phone screen, or let me scroll down. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake on that. I'm looking for Pancake, not Sushi. Let me scroll down. Let's look for Pancake. And see it over here, Pancakeswap. So guys, the first thing we do over here now is to connect our wallet. You come here and connect your wallet to your Pancake now to your Trust Wallet. So we'll click here and connect. We'll click on Trust Wallet. So you can use for those using MetaMask, you can connect with MetaMask. But for this video now, I'm using Trust Wallet. So this is what I will use to connect mine. Connect. You can see that, guys, it's connected over here. So it means that now I can start buying some list of assets now using Pancakeswap. So now let's take an example on this. So how do we actually buy a coin now using this stuff? So what we do is that now you can see over here, guys, when you're using your Pancake, you can only use a BNB Smart Chain. Now let's say I want to fund my account. What we'll do over here is that, let's say I want to fund my account. Let me go back. This. Let me close this page. Yeah, wallets. Now, guys, let's say I want to fund my account and to use on the smart chain. To fund the Pancakeswap, you don't fund your actual BNB. You fund this your smart chain BNB. So this is what you're using on the Pancakeswap, because it's a smart chain BSC contract. So this only work. So this is what you swapping with to other coin you'll be buying. So guys, that's how it works. So now how do we do that? Now we'll go to our browser, for example. We go to coin market cap. Let's use I'm going to use as an example now. Okay, let's search for. Okay, let me do this in full screen so you guys can see my full screen. Let's search for, let's say, safe token. So guys, we have a lot of members coin you can buy. So they usually list coin every day. So I have friends that just they based on this and they are making money from this stuff, because they will release this coin first of all on the BSC smart chain, where you can buy on your Pancakeswap before they will be listed on exchanges. By then you would have already make a lot of money from this. So now let's use safe token as an example. Oh wow, okay, let me use safe token. And guys, Pancake can only work for BSC contract coin. So we have a Ethereum contract, but for this now we're using this Pancake for just BSC contract coin. Okay, this is not working. Let me try on that coin. I can't find this contract address on this coin. Safe Okay, let me use Safecoin and see. I'm trying to get the address of this coin so like I can show you guys on how to buy it. Let me just use SafeStar. So all these are all you can see. This is a Binance Smart Chain contract. So you can see the contract over here now. So you just come here and copy it. For example, copy this contract. Once it's copied, then you go back to your Trust wallet. Go back to your Trust wallet. I'll come over here again. Go to Pancakeswap. Let's open this in full screen. Now this is a BNB. I think I have a little BNB that we can use. So already connect. Let me connect this thing again. Okay, it's connected now. Now you come here and paste your address. Guys, you can see it here, SafeStar. Now, for a lot of people usually have an issue with their slippage. They don't know which one to use. So most times now you can use 1% slippage, and most times it doesn't work. But let's try it on this part. You use 1% slippage. So, but some guys call it cheat code. But let's see how it goes. So to do this now, you have to remove one digit of the last coin you're buying now. So for this SafeStar now, I'll remove this last digit and put it again. Then I'll try to swap it. Most times it will work, most times it might not work. But let's try and see on this part. So I'll make sure then you can see the fee here they're charging. Now let's try and send it. It worked. So guys, after a while, you go to your wallet and check your balance. You see that everything have moved to SafeStar. So guys, that's how to do it, you understand? But most times if you try your 1% slippage, it doesn't work, then you increase it to like 11 slippage. But if you are selling, for example, now maybe I've made profit now on this SafeStar, then I want to sell it. To sell it, you just come here again and paste it to SafeStar and click on this icon, then to switch. So my SafeStar is down here, then my BNB is here. Now let's say I made profit now, I want to sell. You just come here and click on mass, then it will show me my amount I have here and the BNB. Then the same step you use, but if you are selling, always use 11% slippage to sell. 11% or 12% most times. If 11 didn't work, then you use 12% to sell. But if you are buying, you can use that 1% slippage most times to buy a coin. Then once you do that, go on your last the last coin you are swapping to. Then remove the last digit and put it again. If it's 0 at the ending, remove the 0 and put it again, then swap it. It will work. Yes, if it doesn't work most of the time, then you just buy using your 11% slippage. So guys, that's how to use your Pancake swap. So you guys should just try and practice, because I have a lot of friends making money on this. Like there's a friend of mine in Finland, he made over $500,000 on this stuff. He bought SafeMoon when it was early. He bought Buffy and a lot of coins too that he bought, and he made a lot of money from it. So this is something some persons do full time. They just trade on Memes coin. So you can also start doing this too. Trade it. Then once you're in profit, you sell, or whatever the case may be. So guys, that is it. If you have any questions, let me know on the comments section. Then if you are new to my channel, then you can also subscribe. So that is it. I wish you guys all the best and happy trading.